Right, so I grew this broccoli raw plant in a 5-pound protein jug with hydroponic solution in the bottom, and I've been harvesting plenty of broccoli off of it, and now I'm letting it go to flower and go to seed. And the bees have a house right here, so I figured I'd let them pollinate this for me. And what happens is the flowers close up, and then these sticks right here, these turn into the seed pods. Oh, these. Here you go, Mr. Bee. Come here. Anyway, he's buzzing around by his house. But anyway, yeah, I'll let him. It needs to be pollinated, so I'm gonna let nature do the work for me. Awesome.